boys and girls, it's Miss Cheryl at the library, and today we are going to talk about sneezing. Achoo! Bless you! How many of you have ever heard someone say bless you, or even had bless you said to you? That happens a lot. Did you know that when you sneeze, you can pass 100,000 germs at the speed of 100 miles per hour? Now that is a lot of germs and very, very fast. And when you sneeze, there are very small droplets that form from coughs and sneezes, and they are projected out, and you better be out of the way when that happens. That's one of the reasons that we need to stay 6 feet apart from everybody, because those droplets carry viruses and bacteria. So it's very easy for you to catch something when that happens. Now, today I have my sneeze machine, and we are going to see just how far a sneeze can go. So I'm going to stand right here, and I'm going to sneeze a couple of times. That's like my grandson Levi. When he starts sneezing, he'll sneeze 7 or 8 times. So I'm going to pretend like my sneeze machine is going to sneeze for us. Here we go. 1 sneeze. Oh, do you see all of that? Those droplets that are passed in the air? 2 sneezes. 3 sneezes. Let's do one more for good measure. 4 sneezes. Now, I want you to see. I'm going to put my Kleenex down from the sneeze machine all the way to the end of our paper. I think that there is a spot right here. There's a spot here and here. So our sneeze went from here all the way to the edge of 2 sheets of newspaper. That is a pretty long way. And that's how far your sneeze goes out. And did you know, I learned something very interesting. Sneezes, the little water droplets, can actually stay in the air for up to weeks. Some of them are so small that infection, those viruses and bacteria, can stay in the air for weeks at the time. So be very careful. Try to cover and sneeze into or cough into the crease of your arm. That way it doesn't go over all other people. Use a Kleenex and then throw that Kleenex in the trash can. Wear your mask. Anytime you are out in public, wear your mask so that you will not infect other people. And always try to keep 6 feet in between you and another person. Everybody stay safe. Go home, try your sneeze simulator at your own house and see just how far a sneeze can go. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.